Hello, how are you? Welcome, welcome.
Somebody found a chain of the birth, so thinking that this is the emergency police chain.
Now, are you going to go see Fatehpur Sikri also?
No, we don't go there.
It's very nice. I like Fatehpur Sikri very much. It's the Akbar's new capital. So he shifted it, and over there, it's very beautiful. And he had this new religion there, Deen-e-Ilahi, where he mixed all the Indian religions. These days, I think that's not the mood these days in the country. These days in the country, the mood is very angry, dividing. But that's bad. And what else? What else would you like to tell me?
We are happy about the political changes happening in our country.
Yes.
And especially few states.
Yeah.
So we are really happy, and we appreciate you and your sister and your mother.
Thank you. Now in UP, you'll see different type of spirituality. It's interesting. It's good for you to see different parts of the country.
Yes, this is the superior of all the sisters.
This is the big boss.
We are sharing. I like to speak because just you spoke about this about UP and about women and all that. We all appreciate you for going and rescuing those people who are ill-treated and maltreated by gang raping and all that.
But there is tension between minorities community in Kerala, between Christians and Muslims. Is that a little bit of tension?
But this issue came, and the Muslims also agitated and came to the bishop's house, and also they were saying that he has to say pardon to us.
But what is the source of this problem? What is the reason?
Reason is that he spoke about publicly during a function. For a private leader, he's in the church. He said that you have to take care of your young girls because love jihad and narcotic jihad are going on. So many girls are missing. So you have to be. So that was a little bit connoting about this twisted.
And what is the solution according to you? What should be done?
Pollution as such, but anyway, this is something wrong to the justice, to the society. And we have to protect, and you have to be careful about that. What he said is correct and right, and everybody is supposed to, without caste and creed and religion, you have to protect everyone. This is my request.
I really appreciate that your participation, you and your sister's participation in the struggle of the farmers. And also, I saw your sister, how she was treated on the road. And that we feel really proud that you are all speaking for us. Can we give a big hand for that? So since you are emphasizing more on women, the leadership of women, I see in your family very strongly that.
Why do you think peace has vanished from India?
So it's very visible what we see, particularly these last 2 decades that we are seeing that. It's mainly because who does that? Because of the political scenario that is being, because we're all controlled. We don't have freedom. We can't decide. For example, today the problem is for us, our economy is one of the main problem the country is facing. Yeah, ruined by that. Because people are working very hard. This indirectly the money is swindled by the government in the name of GST. Government sectors are being sold to the private. You know, we are all working, we are all struggling, but we don't see the money. But when we see in the TV and all this, the India is in economical growth, they are showing so much, but it is not fact. Privacy is not there today. Privacy, everything is monitored, everything is controlled. The rule is not for us, it is not protecting the people, but rather there is a lot of violation going on in the name of constitutions. A lot of things are going on. So our request also is that, so you should come up, you should fight it. That's why I said the toughness and the softness that you should have within yourself to protect our mother nation. We are with you, Ji.
What would you like to know?
Just how do you work?
How do I work? I live here in just across the garden there. This is my office. That's the office where all the guys who work in my office sit. But these days with Corona, it's more sort of less travel is going on. And earlier it used to be much more travel and public meetings and stuff like that. Now it's a little bit restricted. My mother lives about 5 minutes from here. Near, have you been to India Gate?
Yeah.
So she lives towards India Gate from here. She had hurt her shoulder some time back. So just now she's gone to do physiotherapy for her shoulder. And she lives about 5 minutes from here, and she's got her office in her house as well. Our family is quite close to each other, my sister and my mother and her family.
Thanks a lot, sir. After you came to our school is identified all over the world very gratefully.
What will be the first GO? Government order you will be publishing as soon as you become a Prime Minister. Is not the question that many students they were asking me?
I would give women's reservation.
There are many.
No, I believe, I'll tell you, not because they're sitting here, I believe that they're more sensitive, they have longer vision, you know, they don't think about today, they think about tomorrow, right? Men, they want to think about right now, what is going on. Women, because maybe they have to look after their children, they have to plan, they have to think for the future. So I think that would be important, an important thing. If somebody asked me, what would you teach your child? One thing, I would say humility. Because from humility, you get understanding. And what is the dinner plan?
Dinner, they make us some arrangement there.
Acha.
So, are you going to provide us?
Tell me. You want to have dinner here? I can try. We can arrange if you want. You want? Can we arrange that, Alankar? Can we arrange chola bhatura dinner here? Yeah. You do that?
We wish you a happy